Video we covered very clearly, sir, in how many ways we can provide input, sir, in how many ways we will get output, what is 0 1 2, next and after that what is by default standard input is connected to which device, standard error and standard output devices are connected to terminal, like we covered, right? Sir, now the next concept we have to discuss, redirection. Remember a bit very carefully, sir, redirection. Okay, like sir, now very simple, redirection. Assume, sir, here the flow is coming, water flow. Assume that water flow is coming, like this. Okay, sir, what I want to take is, just I will keep sand bags here. Assume that, sir, sand bags I will keep here, sir. Then automatically now the water will be redirected to somewhere else. Is it possible or not? Actually it has to flow like this, but it is redirected to somewhere else. Is it I hope everyone in the position to understand just basic idea, water flow, how you can perform redirection just by keeping something as some obstacle there in the flow. Correct, right? Yes, friends, especially the people who are coming from village backgrounds, the farmers, small canal water is coming. Okay, assume that water is coming from small through small canals, right? So I have to send this water to my farm, something like what immediately the farmer is going to do here. He will keep one or two sand bags, just in the floor. Now the water, instead of going straight, it will flow into the, yeah, into the farmland. Correct, right? Okay, like you may aware, sir, like so now observe standard input. Okay, we covered already this point. Standard input, standard output, standard output and the standard error. Standard input, standard output and the standard error are data streams. Remember these ones, are these are data streams. So and can flow from one place to another place. From one place, to another place, can flow from one place to another place. That's why we can redirect. So we can redirect these streams. Remember these ones, we can redirect these data streams. Okay, like now, so how you can redirect standard output, standard input, standard error, all the things I will discuss, right? So the first, let me start easiest thing, redirecting standard output. Okay, redirecting standard output, sir. Now I have one small doubt. Standard output stream is associated with which digit? Can you please confirm? Standard output device is associated with, standard output is associated with which stream? Standard output associated with, associated with one. Remember, 0 means standard input, 1 means standard output, 2 means standard error. Okay, next, by default standard output connected with, connected with the terminal. Okay, by default connected with the terminal, like. Okay, well, now so we can redirect standard output from terminal to somewhere else. Remember this one. So by default standard output connected with the terminal, but we can redirect this standard output from terminal to somewhere else, based on our requirement. Are you in the position to understand that? By default standard output connected with the terminal, sir. I don't send our standard output to the terminal. Can you please redirect from terminal to somewhere else? Okay, like sir, it is possible. Okay, that thing is by default considered output redirection. Everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of output redirection? Now onwards, my output should not go to the terminal. I have to send my output to somewhere else. I want to send my output to somewhere else. So output redirection itself is what is the meaning, like. Okay, next, we can perform output redirection. We can perform output redirection by using greater than and double greater than symbols. We can perform output redirection by using greater than and double greater than symbols. Any doubt about this? Please confirm. Up to this, either clear for all of, right? Okay, like sir, now what is the difference between these two symbols? Somewhere we covered from first class onwards. We are using this one. Okay, sir, just will perform overwriting of existing data. Will perform overwriting of existing data. Next, will perform, sir, here just observe that, will perform appending to existing data. Will perform appending to existing data, like so if you want overwriting, single greater than. If you want append operation, then we require to use double greater than. Okay, like now, so let me go for one small example I'm taking, sir. So now have a look once. My required example is to redirect the standard output, to redirect the standard output on cat command from terminal to output dot txt. From terminal to output dot txt. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. So I have to redirect the standard output of cat command, standard output of cat command from terminal to output dot txt. What is the meaning? How you can do that, sir? Sir, here I have one small doubt. If I use cat, I'm not providing any argument. Now observe carefully. I'm not providing any argument. Now it's always going to take input from respond. It's always going to take input from standard input device, which is nothing but keyboard. It's always going to produce output to, it is always going to produce output to standard output device. Standard output device is nothing but what? Terminal. Okay, standard output device is nothing but terminal, like. Now my question is, so redirect the standard output from terminal to output to dot txt. I have to take what? I have to take standard output stream associated with which number? Please confirm. Associated with which number? Number 1. Okay, number 1. So how you can perform output redirection? Greater than symbol. Okay, so to output dot txt we have to take. Okay, now so this cat command will take input from standard input device, which is the keyboard, but it won't display the output to the terminal. The output is redirected from terminal to output dot txt. Everyone in the position to understand? Respond clearly. So this command is always going to take input from keyboard, but output is always going to provide output to output dot txt instead of displaying to the terminal. Okay, now have a look once about this terminology, right? Okay, here observe that carefully. Observe carefully here. Sir, I'm taking cat command, cat. I'm not taking any argument. If I'm not providing any argument, so this is my first line. This is my first line. Now, if I enter, output by default will be displayed. Output by default will be displayed to, I respond. If I enter, output by default will be displayed to standard output device, which is the terminal. Standard output device, which is the terminal. But now I have to tell, hey, don't display to the terminal. Can you please redirect this output from terminal to output.txt is my requirement, right? Okay, sir, ls no more output.txt. Okay, like what I have to take? Cat 1. What is the standard output redirection? I have to take standard output is always associated with 1. Greater than symbol. Remember this one. So 1 greater than symbol. Output dot txt. Enter. Now observe. So this cat command will take input from standard input device, but output won't display to the terminal. Now the output is redirected from terminal to output dot txt. Now this is my first line. Okay, this is my first line. Okay, this is my first line. If I enter, now observe, is it going to display this line to the terminal? Respond. If I enter, is it going to display to the terminal? No, I'm not seeing any this line not displayed to the terminal. Okay, now this is my second line. This is my second line. Now this is my third line. This is my third line. Okay, this is my fourth line. Something like a fourth line. That's all. Control D. Array, you are keep on providing. You are keep on providing input. Okay, but where is the output? Output is not displayed to the terminal. Sir, output is always going to redirected from terminal to output dot txt. Let me show this output. Cat output, or otherwise just let me show gedit output dot txt, or instead of that let me show this one from the GUI only. Sir, output dot txt is there. Now if I open output dot txt, yes, sir, this is my first line, this is my second line, this is my third line, like we are going to get. Oi, respond. Are you in the position to understand how we redirected? How we redirected output from terminal to, sir, output dot txt. Okay, remember this, sir. In this case, okay, like so overwriting is happened or appending is happened? Overwriting is happened or appending is happened? Can you please confirm? Overwriting. I don't want overwriting. I want append operation. I want append operation. Then we have to do like this. Okay. Now append is going to be happen. Okay. Now let me cross check here. Let me close this file. I'm closing this file. Let me open again. Okay. Cat one greater than output dot txt. I'm taking cat one greater than output dot txt. Okay, like now observe, this is my extra line. This is my extra line. This is one more extra line. Okay, that's all. Control D. Okay, now I didn't see any output to the terminal because output is redirected from terminal to output dot txt, but it is performing append operation instead of overwriting. Now where is the proof for that? Now observe that, sir, open, sir, already existing data is there. Now extra added data appended to already existing data. Clear? Any explanation is required? Everyone in the position to understand, right? Okay, like here, but take a bit special care about this terminology, right? Do you know there are 2 points are very important whenever I explain this one in the first batch, because I told, right, okay, if I want to learn any subject, I will announce the batch. Okay, remember that I will announce the batch. Most of the I will announce with parallelly I will learn and I will deliver to the students. Sometimes maybe something goes wrong also. Okay, in the first batch somewhere redirection very beautifully I prepared, then I went to the class. Okay, I went to the session. Then what happened here? I'm trying to perform redirection. I'm trying to explain. Sorry, it's not working. It's not working. Then just what I told is, Array, tomorrow I will tell something goes wrong. Tomorrow I will tell something goes wrong. Don't worry. I will fulfill your requirement like. So what the small mistake I did is, now observe, this is the redirection syntax, right? This is the redirection syntax. One, sorry, here greater than. By mistake, I give the space. Observe that. One, sir, by mistake, I gave the space. If I give the space, then output redirection is not going to be happen. Remember this one. Now, cat, it is considered as the file name. There is no such type of file like we are going to get the answer. Array output redirection, man. There is no such type of file, meaningless like. Now observe that by mistake. Okay, by mistake, like I open cat one greater than output dot txt. Okay, one greater than output dot txt. Now observe cat one, no such type of file. Sir, cat open this file, read the data from this file, like we have some syntax is there, right? So it is treated as a file, but there is no such type of file or directory, like immediately it's going to tell. Getting right? So small funny experiences while learning. Okay, I spend almost a few minutes. Array, don't worry, tomorrow I will tell, like I covered, I managed, and then next day what mistake I did. Okay, this is so special take a bit very special care about this space. That's what why I'm telling this. Funny thing is you have to take very special care. Okay, after digit 1 we should not give the space. Immediately you have to take greater than symbol. That's what you have to remember this point very carefully in your mind. Okay, sir. Now the next one. Now the next gedit is not data redirection. Gedit is opening the editor, okay, to add some content. Don't feel it is the redirection kind of thing, Viraj. Okay, now here there is one more thing is there. There is one more important point. I told first point, don't give the space. Sir, by mistake if you are giving the space, it is always invalid. Okay, like second one, sir. Second one, take very special care. What is that is, sir, which symbol these, can you please spell out? Greater than and a double greater than symbol. We can perform output redirection by using greater than and a double greater than symbol. By default, greater than and a double greater than. Okay, by default greater than and a double greater than are always meant for output redirection only. By default greater than and double greater than are always meant for output redirection. So by default these are always meant for output redirection. We are not required to specify one explicitly. Are you getting right? One explicitly. Okay, like we are not required because by default, okay, this by default, so greater than and double greater than symbol always talks about output redirection. That's why we are not required to specify one. Now the same thing you can perform by removing one also, still it is acceptable. Clear, right? Are you getting the point? Sir, why one is optional? Because these symbols are always associated with output redirection. Suppose tomorrow if you are asking about error redirection, tomorrow if you are asking about error redirection, in that case, sir, here compulsory you have to specify number 2. There number 2 is not optional because these symbols by default always talks about output redirection. That's why please take a bit very special care. Next, instead of one, can I take std out, something like std out, like no, it won't. So can you please check, was you ready? I don't think so it will work. Okay, that's all. So now have a look once about this one. Okay, cat I'm taking. Sir, here greater than overwriting mode I want to take. Output dot txt I'm taking. Can you please tell enter? This command will take input from respond. This command will take input from standard input device, which is the keyboard. Standard input device, which is the keyboard. Next, this command will take will provide output to this command will provide output to output to output to output dot txt. The output is redirected from terminal to output dot txt. Is it append mode or is it overwriting mode? Can you please confirm? Is it append or is it overwriting? It is overwriting. Okay, now sir, here I'm taking apple, banana, orange, okay, mango, something like control D. Now observe, let me open output.txt. Old data gone. Now only this data by default will be there. Have a look once. Sir, if I open output.txt, old data gone. Only this data by default is there. Clear? Are you in the position to understand, right? Manish, we are yet only output redirection. Concentrate only on this one. Okay, we are talking about digit 1. Later we will talk about digit 1, digit 0 and digit 2. Okay. So ls associated to 1. What is the meaning of that, Nirmal? Okay. So now observe that. So any doubt about output redirection? How you can perform output redirection? What are various possible syntaxes are there? Okay, which symbols we require to use? Clear for you people, right? Okay. Now So redirecting standard error. Redirecting standard error. Okay, like I have to take care. Redirecting standard error like I'm taking, sir. So now, so by default, standard error device connected to. Can you please tell? By default, standard error is connected to. Standard error device is connected to terminal. Instead of terminal, so by default, standard error device is connected to terminal. Instead of terminal, okay, here just observe that instead of terminal, if we want sorry, here we can redirect error messages. We can redirect error messages from terminal to our required file, we can redirect it to our required place based on our requirement. Okay, like so now observe that if I use calendar is always expecting, sir, month and year are only year. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Sir, can you please tell 1234 1234 year calendar I want? Okay, perfect, it's going to provide, it's going to provide cal 1234. Now 1234 year calendar by default we are getting, sir, perfect, it's working properly, right? Suppose if I can take cal, sir, here 7 8 something like I'm taking. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Respond. Is it valid or invalid? It is invalid. Invalid year. Invalid year. Immediately we are going to get error message. By default, standard error is connected to terminal. That's why you are getting error message 2. Error message 2. Sir, here just to the terminal. Yes. Now I got the error message to the terminal only. Now I have to redirect this error message from terminal to okay somewhere else. I have to do that. Okay, how you can do, how we can do that, sir? Okay, now here we have to perform redirecting standard error. Okay, like sir, here we can implement, we can implement error redirection by using same greater than and a double greater than symbol. Same greater than and the double greater than symbols only. Okay, like next standard error is associated with which device, sorry, standard error is associated with which digit? Standard error stream is associated with which digit, sir? Is associated with digit 2, digit 2 2 like this, right? Now what I'm trying to take is dollar, okay, cal 1. Sir, here just I'm trying to take some invalid year I'm taking. So while executing this command, if you are getting any error, don't display that error to the terminal. Can you please send that error to error.txt? Can you please tell what is the way how I can digit 2, digit 2? Sir, here redirection, sir, 2 or otherwise, so like error.txt I'm taking. Everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of this one? Respond. Everyone in the position to understand? Here just observe that cal okay, like 2. Can you please redirect standard error to error.txt? Now error message won't display to the terminal, it is always going to write to error.txt. Sir, where is the proof for that? Now have a look once about this one, sir. Sir, here just observe carefully, right? Okay, enter. Are you seeing any output? Yes, you can use a single greater than, double greater than. I told we can perform error redirection by using any of the symbol. Single greater than, already existing data will be overwritten. Double greater than, append is going to be happen. Okay. Now observe, are you seeing any error message here? No, I'm not seeing any error message. But where is my error message, right? If you open this file, now you can see error message. Okay. Let me show this one. Let me show error.txt. Yes, it got created. It got created. Now observe that, sir, cal, not a valid year. Okay, like, are you seeing error message to error.txt file or not? Yes, friends. So clear for you people, right? This is what you should aware clearly, right? Clear, right? Everyone in the position to understand. Okay, well, excellent. Now my question is, in this case, 2 is mandatory or optional? In this case, 2 is mandatory or optional? Yes, respond. Suppose if I'm not taking 2, if I'm not taking 2, what will happen? What will happen if I'm not taking 2? What will happen in this case? Can you please tell? So if I'm not taking 2, by default these symbols are, output redirection. Output redirection. But error, if any output is coming, then it will send it to error.txt. But if any error message is coming, it won't send it to error.txt. By default, it will be displayed to the terminal only. Sir, here this line meant for error redirection. This line meant for error redirection, but this line meant for output redirection. Remember this one, sir. Output redirection. This line meant for output redirection. Are you seeing the difference between these two lines? Now if you want, just observe that. Okay, so now my question is, now have a look once, sir. Sir, here if I execute this command, this command, sir, can you please tell, now error message will be displayed to the terminal or error message is going to return to error.txt? Please confirm. Error message will display to the terminal or error message will be written to error.txt? So it will be displayed to the terminal because you are not performing error redirection. You are performing output redirection, friend. Okay. Now have a look once. Observe that error message displayed to the terminal. Okay. Number one is optional, but number 2 is not optional. It is mandatory. Clear? Everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of error redirection? Viraj, we will discuss. Just wait for a minute. Okay, up to this is the clear for all of you, right? So two things we covered. What is the first one? Output redirection. Output redirection. Second one, error redirection we covered. Output redirection and error redirection both we can perform by using greater than and double greater than symbols only. Okay, like, okay, don't worry, just we will discuss in detail next level. All your doubts will be clarified. Whereas and Manish, you are asking some doubt, will be clarified. Just wait. So clear. Up to this, how many types of input, how many types of redirection we covered? Two things. One is respond. The first one is output redirection. Second one is error redirection. We covered this. Okay, like, now my question is, next thing, redirecting standard input. Redirecting standard input, right? Okay, well, so by default standard input device is connected with, by default standard input device is connected with the keyboard, keyboard. So but we can redirect, from keyboard to somewhere else, based on our requirement, okay. Now take very special care, right? Okay, this is, so how to perform next standard input associated with the which digit, standard input stream associated with standard input stream associated with which streams are associated with which digit? Zero, like, next we can perform input redirection, by using which symbols are lesser than symbol. Remember this a bit very carefully, sir. Output redirection, error redirection, we have to perform by using greater than and double greater than symbols, sir. But input redirection, we have to perform by using lesser than symbol. Everyone in the position to understand? Please confirm. Is it clear for all of you, right? Okay, standard input and standard input is associated with 0, and we can perform input redirection by using less than symbol. Okay, now I'm taking a beautiful point. Please observe carefully, right? I have one file is there. Assume that a.txt is there. Inside a.txt, which content is there, I don't know. Here just observe that, oh, some data is there inside a.txt. Okay, like sir, now I'm taking dollar cat command. Now take very special case, sir. Cat command is always taking input from, by default cat is always taking input from respond. By default cat is always taking input from keyboard, standard input device which is associated with a keyboard. Oh, cat, don't take input from keyboard. So input stream I redirected from keyboard to somewhere else. Okay, how you can specify 0 lesser than input 0 lesser than a.txt I'm taking. Now observe carefully. Cat 0 less than a.txt, like this I'm taking, sir. Now the point here is, now onwards this cat command. Okay, so now onwards this cat command won't take input from sir keyboard. It is always going to take input from a.txt. Clear, right? Okay, is it clear for you people? Next, cat command by default will display output to cat command. By default it will display output to standard output device is what? Terminal. Okay, no problem. Now display to the terminal, but input you have to take from a.txt. Don't ask to provide input. Don't ask to provide input from keyboard, because I told now onwards input is not available from the keyboard. It is available from a.txt. Cat command, please take input from a.txt. Don't expect from input device. Clear for all of you, right? Any doubt about this? So this is what input redirection symbol. Okay, now have a look once. Is it going to work or not? Sir, here observe cat. What is the which digit I required to use? Please confirm which digit I required to use. Ayo, I forgot. 0, sir, and then less than. Is it going to work? Is it going to work or not? You have to tell. No, what is the problem? Here space symbol you should not use. 0 immediately less than we have to use. Okay, like a.txt. Now if I enter, is it expecting input from the keyboard? If I enter, is it expecting input from the keyboard? No chance at all. Enter. Now it will read input from a.txt and display to standard output device. You didn't perform output redirection. That's why what is the output will be displayed to terminal only. Yes. Now observe. So this a cat command reading the input from input.txt. It is reading the input from input.txt. Sorry, a.txt, and the display send the output to standard output device, which is nothing but a terminal. Sir, clear? Are you in the position to understand? Any explanation is required? Up to this. Of course, there are some more extra things I will cover. Are you in the position to understand the syntax or not? That's what. So this cat command, cat command is taking input, is taking this cat command is taking input from respond. This cat command is taking input from a.txt instead of keyboard. Next, it will display output. To standard output device. Standard output device. Okay, which is nothing but terminal. That's why you are seeing in the output is the terminal. So if you are understanding this one, of course some more extra points I will cover. First try to understand up to this syntax. Are you feeling any difficulty to understand the syntax? Please confirm. Okay, up to this. Now observe very carefully, right? So now my question is, just observe that. Now my question is, sir, here, okay, by default, okay, sorry, by default, input redirection symbol, sir, this input redirection symbol always associated with 0 only. By default, less than symbol is always associated with, always associated with 0. Remember this one. Hence we can remove 0. No problem at all. Now cat, okay, cat, sir, less than a dot txt. Now it is taking input from a dot txt. It is taking input from a dot txt and display that data to standard output device, which is the terminal. Yes, are you getting? Respond. Everyone in the position to understand this, not required to keep any explanation, right? Okay, even so in the, if even in the input redirection, lesser than symbol is also optional if we are not using any symbol here. Of course, with the cat command, if we are not using any symbol with the cat command, by default it is always, going to take, always going to consider lesser than only. Hence we can remove less than also. Lesser than also. Okay, like so now the command will become cat a dot txt. Wow. Just from first class onwards, we are using the syntax. What is the meaning of cat a.txt? Internally, cat command is taking input from a.txt and display to standard output device, which is nothing but a terminal. Okay, like sir, now observe the cat a.txt. I didn't specify 0. I didn't specify less than. Now observe that. Is the effect is the same or not? Internally, what happened is input redirection is happened. Yes, friends, are you in the position to understand? Okay, up to still there are some more things are there. Don't worry. First, whatever I covered up to this is the clear, right? Okay. Now my question is, read the input from a.txt, and write and write write that output, to output result.txt is my requirement, sir. Have you observed? Read input from a.txt and write that output to result.txt. This is about my requirement. How we can do that, sir? Very simple. Very simple, sir. What I have to take is dollar, okay, cat command. Okay, now 0 less than a.txt. So input is redirected from keyboard to a.txt. Clear, right? Next, can you please perform 1 to output.txt? Okay, like how beautiful. Are you getting right? Now here input redirection and output. Sorry, here result.txt I'm taking. No problem at all. Result.txt. Okay, now input redirection is happened, output redirection is also happened in this case. So is it possible to do both simultaneously? Why not? Okay, now observe the same command less than is always associated with, suppose while executing this command, if you are facing any error, assume that if you are facing any error, can you please write to error.txt? I'm taking, sir. Wow. Input redirection, output redirection, error redirection in the same command. Okay, like but here this 0 is optional. because less than is always associated with 0 only, greater than is always associated with 1 only, but this 2 is mandatory. Clear? Are you getting? Next, even this less than is also optional. Okay, so take the input cat command, please take the input from a.txt and write that output to result.txt. Next, while executing this command, if you are facing any error, can you please write that error to error.txt? That's all. This is now error message won't be displayed to terminal. Okay, it is always error messages will be there inside error.txt. Next, and after that, okay, a.txt, a.txt, it never going to read from input from the keyboard. It is always going to consider input from a.txt, and it never going to display output to terminal. It is always going to display output to result.txt. Here observe, redirecting, input redirection from keyboard to a.txt. Okay, remember this one, input redirection from keyboard to a.txt. Next, output redirection, output redirection from terminal to result.txt. Next, error redirection from terminal to error.txt. Okay, like, yes friends, are you in the position to understand redirection is happen from which place to which place? Nirmal, can you please provide complete thing? Nirmal, can you please tell your complete command? Clear, right? Now up to this, not required to keep any explanation. Next, I have one small requirement is there, friends. What is my requirement is, listen a bit very carefully, sir. My next requirement is, suppose, okay, suppose both the output, both the output, you have to output and the error, errors, errors. Can you please redirect both output and error? Please redirected to result.txt only. Okay, even standard output, please write to result.txt. Even error also, can you please write to error result.txt only. Okay, so standard output and error, both redirection to same place. Okay, like, so what we have to take normally what we require to take, sir? Can you please observe that normally we have to take okay, assume that here also append mode. Okay, like, sir, result.txt, and in this case also what I have to take, result.txt. Is it acceptable or not? Can you please confirm? Respond, is it going to fulfill my requirement or not? Is it going to fulfill my requirement or not? Yes. Okay, definitely. But destination is always the same. Why you have to provide two times? Now there is one small shortcut is there. What is the meaning of this shortcut here, sir? Here, and greater than, can you please, okay, like, now observe. So if I use and greater than means both the error and output redirection, both, remember a bit very carefully, sir, both the error and output redirection. If I can take if I can take only this one, okay, only this or this, Okay, like so either error redirection, either either output redirection or error redirection, either output redirection or error redirection, or error redirection. Okay, like either output redirection or error redirection. If I can take and here just observe carefully, right? And greater than or and double greater than, what the meaning of this one is, both the output and error redirection to a single place, to a single place. Okay, like clear, right? Yes. Are you getting the point? Okay. So this is, so here my requirement is, so take input from keyboard. Take input from keyboard. If any output is there, write to result.txt. If any error is there, can you please write to result.txt. So output destination place and the error destination place is the same. If output and error destination place is the same, then we are not required to specify like this. We can use shortly like this style. Yeah, Swarup, getting? Okay, that's what. If both are pointing to the same, then automatically, so in the result.txt, you have to decide whether it is the error message or output message. So usually most of the, we want to do that. If you want to do, then that's all. But you should be in the position to identify whether it is the output or whether it is the error. Remember that based on the message up to certain level, we can guess. Thermal. Clear, right? Are you in the position to understand these points? Okay. 1 minute. Now observe that carefully, right? Now I'm taking, now I'm trying to take cal command is there, sir. Cal command is there. Okay. Now cal command by default is going to display current month calendar. Okay, like or otherwise cal command by default is going to display current month calendar. Now I'm taking, sir, ampersand, sir, greater than, sir, here just output, what I'm taking is results 1.txt I'm taking, sir. Now observe that. Okay, so in this case output definitely send to results 1.txt. Output definitely send to results 1.txt. Let me cross check. Results 1.txt, output send to results 1.txt. Perfect. Clear, right? So it is sending. So output redirection is working because of this concept. Now here just observe, here I'm trying to take cal 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, like I'm taking next hj, like sir, this is not valid here. Okay, you have to get error message. If really error redirection is happening, if really error redirection is also happening, now the error message also should send to same file. Okay, error message also should send to same file. Now observe. Yes, excellent. We are not getting any output, any error message means, so definitely this error message send to the same file or not. Let me cross check. Okay, results.txt. Yes, here reload. Yes, error message by default. Are you in the position to understand, right? Now sir, standard output sir, written to the same file, and even error message also written to the same file. So both the things redirection is always possible. Okay, like this is one shortcut command. Shortcut command, right? Either this is symbol or otherwise okay, like and double greater than, both output and error redirection to a single place, then how you can do that. That's what you should aware. Clear up to this? Any doubt? Respond up to this. Clear, right? Okay, now the next cinema, what I have to talk. Now the next cinema, what I required is, now take very special care about this one, sir. Now my requirement is, sir, do you know, here just take very special care. Redirecting standard output of one terminal, standard output of one terminal to another terminal, to another terminal. Okay, just now, sir, in the last sessions I explained, but anyway now you people are going to get much clearly, right? Okay, now have a look once. Redirecting standard output of one terminal to another terminal. How we can do that, sir? Very simple, sir. Have you remembered in Unix, everything is treated as a file, correct or not? Everything is treated as a file. Okay, even our terminal also, our terminal also, sir. Even devices, every device is by default considered as a file, including our terminal also. Okay, like, so we can find we can find the terminal related file, terminal related file. We can find the terminal related file by using which commands are tty command. Have you remembered in the last session somewhere we covered, we can find the terminal related file by using what? Tty command. Okay, assume that here, let me close this file, let me open this terminal is already my main terminal, like assume that. So what is tty? Okay, I'm taking, sir. So now this is the file related to current terminal. Remember this one. So can you please read, observe that? So this is the file related to current terminal. Okay, like now have a look once about this one. Sir, I have one terminal is there. Now what is the, can you please spell out what is the name? What is the name? I forgot. What is the name? Slash dev slash pts slash 0. This is the first terminal. If I open another terminal, if I open another terminal, what is the, sir, here do you know what may be? Okay, one I told somewhere one. This is the second terminal related file. Let me open, let me cross check, sir. Here control alt control t, I open another terminal. Okay, like now have a look once about this terminology, right? So total two terminals are there with us. Total two terminals are there. This is the small terminal, right? Okay, assume, sir, tty. Okay, like I'm taking, yes, this is the thing what we have. Okay, like this is the thing, this is the terminal. Now my requirement is, sir, here if I type anything, I want to display the output here, the output whatever display to this terminal, can you please redirect it to this terminal is my requirement. Okay, like what I have to take care is, now have a look once, sir. Sir, what I have to take, this is the first terminal. Now second terminal is slash dev. Okay, slash dev slash pts slash 1. Okay, from first terminal, terminal, if I use the command, if I use the command, sir, cal, if I use the command $cal, so this it is going to display output, it is going to display output to first terminal only, first terminal by default, because output is always associated with the terminal by default. It's going to display, hey, don't display to this first terminal. Can you please redirect this output redirection to which terminal, sir? Second terminal. Okay, now onwards, whatever output is provided by this cal command is sir, redirected this output from first terminal to second terminal. Remember this a bit carefully, right? From first terminal to second terminal is going to be there. Okay, like clear? Yes, are you in the position to understand? Can you please confirm audio and video clear? Respond. Yeah, now observe carefully, right? Okay, here what I'm trying to take is, here what I'm trying to take is, let me, here let me, I'm in the first terminal. Okay, here cal I'm taking. By default the output will be displayed, where is the output, sir? Can you please tell by default where the output will be displayed? Output will be displayed in the first terminal. Hey, don't display to the first terminal. Don't display to the first terminal. Can you please send this output to second terminal? Okay, this is my requirement. Can output redirection from terminal 1 to dev slash pts slash 1. Okay, now what will happen in this case is, whatever output provided by sir first terminal to the first terminal won't display in the first terminal, it will redirect it to second terminal. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. Let me enter here. I'm not getting any output. Hurry, where is my output? Here I'm not getting any output. Where is my output? My output will be there in the second terminal. Have a look once. Are you seeing right? Are you seeing right? Here this output, where it is displayed, sir? Here it is a display. Yes, friends? Are you in the position to understand? Clear for you people? Respond. Yeah, who is asking? Someone is asking, sir. Can you please show? Can you please forward? Can you please forward like output from one terminal to another terminal? Who is asking this one? So I hope is clear, right? Okay, sir. Do you know sometimes I told in our lab systems, in our lab systems, I told assume that. So just all terminals are there in the academic lab. Okay, assume that all terminals are there in our academic lab. Okay, now sir, assume that you sat here. Okay, assume you sat here. So now here very cute lady sat. Okay, in your classmates maybe definitely some cute ladies will be there. You are very fancy about that lady, I'm sure. Okay, then what happened is, so from here I want to type something, it should be displayed automatically to this terminal. Okay, like if I know this terminal number, then I can redirect my output from this terminal to this terminal where very cute lady is sitting. Now observe that what I want to take. Echo, hello darling, I love you, like I'm taking. Okay, I love you, like I'm taking. So if I enter, it will display to my terminal. I don't want to display here. Just redirected to /dev/pts/1. Okay, now immediately where it is going to be displayed, sir? Do you know? Here this one is going to be displayed in the second terminal. Have you observed, right? Hello darling, I love you. It is going to be displayed somewhere here. How danger it is. Immediately what you have to take is clear. Can you please redirect it to /dev/pts/1? Okay, that lady observed, and so she want to respond so to the faculty or otherwise to the next level. Immediately execute this command, then automatically in the screen will be clear, so no message will be there. Are you getting? So this type of the people in the Unix labs, the people are going to play games like these type of things with the terminal redirections. Clear? Are you in the position to understand what is the meaning of what is the meaning of redirecting from one terminal to another terminal? This is what you people should aware. Okay, still having any doubt? Please confirm. Having any doubt? So if it is not open, then redirection is not going to be successful. Compulsory the terminal should be accessible. Okay, like standard input is associated with 0. What is 0? 0. Sir, what is the standard output, standard input stream associated with 0 number? If I mention 0 means a standard input device. 0. These are devices associated with the numbers. Standard input device number is 0. If I refer in the redirection, 0 means you are redirecting standard input. Remember that. Yeah, Viraj, if you want to display to the Windows terminal, then automatically what will happen is you require to communicate with the Windows for that FTP or otherwise. So there are some tools must be required. Okay, within the same server, different terminals is acceptable. Okay, but if you want to change your system, then that Windows to Linux to FTP tools must be required. FTP, SFTP, like directly you can't communicate. Yeah, first open that terminal, sign up. Okay, that's all. So this is about what is the redirection from one terminal to another terminal. Just there are small bits are there, matter of 1 or 2 minutes. Sir, have a look once whether you are in the position to answer or not. Okay, question number one. Okay, so you people may aware only questions are enough. In how many ways a command can get input? In how many ways a command can get input, can get input? So in how many ways you can provide input to the commands? Are two ways. Some commands may accept only first one, only second one, or both, like two ways. Okay, like next sir, here my second question: which of the following are data streams? Sir, which of the following, which of the following are data streams? Which of the following are data streams? Can you please spell out which are data streams? Which of the following are data streams? Input, standard input is a data stream. Standard output is a data stream. Standard error is a data stream. Standard output, and standard error. Okay, are data streams. Sir, what about command line arguments? Command line arguments are not data streams. Remember a bit carefully, right? Okay. Next, sir, by default, standard input connected to, by default, standard input device connected to what? By default, standard input device is connected to keyboard. By default, standard input device connected to keyboard. Next, by default, standard output is connected to, terminal. Okay. Next, similarly, standard error is also connected to terminal by default. Remember a bit very carefully, right? Next, sir, what number represents standard input stream? Which number represents standard input stream? Zero. Zero means standard input stream. Zero number represents standard input stream. Next, which number represents standard output stream? Okay, standard output stream, like 2, 1. Next, 2 means standard error stream. Okay, please make sure, sir. Next, my requirement is, now observe this one, sir. How to redirect, how we can redirect standard output of the ls command, standard output of the ls command, to a file called output.txt. Can you please confirm what is the code I have to write? Please confirm how we can redirect the standard output of the ls command to a file called output.txt. Okay, dollar ls command, can you please redirect it to output.txt? Okay, like sir, do you have still, sir, the syntax is also acceptable or not? Standard output, not standard error. Was they ready? Standard output, not standard error. Okay, like next, sir, here my next question is, sir, here just take a bit very special care. How we can redirect, how we can redirect the standard output of the ls command, ls command, the standard output of ls command, ls command, set to output.txt, to output.txt. But at the same time, same time redirect redirect standard error, standard error to error.txt. Can you please guide, sir? Okay, what is the command? So just output should be redirected to output.txt, but error should be redirected to error.txt. Error.txt, files are different, okay. Ls output redirection to output.txt, error redirection to error.txt. That's all. Correct? Everyone in the position to understand? Okay, like sir, you here in this case you can't use the symbol like and greater than. What the reason is, here output redirection target place is the different, error redirection target place is the different. If both the places are same, then we can use this symbol. Okay, like next sir, what is the difference between, what is the difference between, what is the difference between lesser than, okay, lesser than comma greater than, double greater than symbols. Okay, lesser than, greater than, double greater than symbol. Sir, here can I use the word lesser than symbol meant for less than symbol meant for what? Input redirection. Input redirection. Next greater than symbol meant for, greater than symbol meant for output and error redirection, and error redirection. Next double greater than symbol meant for output and error redirection, where overwriting will be happen, overwriting will be happen, okay, will be happen, overwriting will be happen. But here instead of overriding, where append will be happen, where append will be happened. Okay, clear, right? Any doubt? So can I expect, so you are so experts in, you are redirection experts. What is the meaning of redirection? How you can perform input redirection, output redirection, and error redirection? So with examples clear for you people, right? Nothing, normal. That is the only thing what you people should aware. Okay, that's all friends.